Good day, everyone. This is Prof speaking to you. So, haven't made a video in a long time, but the market has been moving well, and I want to give you long-term and short-term updates. We're currently now looking at AUD USD, some short positions. As you see right here on the 30-minute time frame, looking for some short positions. We saw the price has broken out of this area right here, and then there's some inefficiency here. So looking for price to give us an extra confirmation for us to go down. Same with GU. We have been selling GBPUSD from yesterday. Saw this liquidity being taken out, and then we made an entry at this when price touched this supply area. Saw this retracement, and then we ended right here at the BIOS. Saw this area. So probably this time now I was not on the computer. So basically saw a 1 minute retracement and made the entry on the 1 minute retracement. So I decided to make my stop loss a bit wider so that it can handle any type of retracement. So that's now where I know that this is actually a B plus setup. B plus setups mean that I use wider stop losses and I risk less on it. A plus setup means that I'm basically risking a lot of money looking at the market. But when I'm basically looking at the higher time frame, long term wise, expecting the pound to basically go all the way down up to certain levels. The first level that I'm looking for gold, for pound to come is 1.24 24648. So that's basically where I'm expecting gold, GBPUSD. I don't know why gold is in my mind, but that's where I'm expecting GU to go up to. But in the other case, I'm also looking at this high right here. Once this high is violated, then I know that I might just be coming back to look for some liquidity right here in order to go down. But worst case, that's only worst case scenario. So I know how to survive in a trade. I know what to look for when I see that the market is actually doing something. I know, okay, so this is how I manage my trade. This is how I handle this type of situation. All right. So higher time frame wise, we're still looking for pound to fall up to this region right here. Okay. This is the order block, as you can see right here. So basically just following the higher time frame bias. A weekly time frame is showing us a strong sell, and if this week is very strong, then you guys know up to where we are looking for price to come down up to. So we'd be expecting price to at least come down to 1.20371, so around that region. But that is a long-term thing, so we would want to see this week pushing and closing below like this. But as you can see, NFP is also starting tomorrow. So for those that are in the signal group, we'll see that NFP is gonna be crazy. But you guys can even join the free Telegram just in the link below. So basically expecting GU to go all the way down. So you can actually wait for price to show you an extra confirmation, and you can actually hold it all the way down. First target, obviously second target, and then third target, dropping all the way down. So basically there's a BIOS here on GU, and since this BIOS has been made, obviously once this high is broken, then we might see a retracement of price going up to here in order to fall. But this area is very secured. I'm not really looking for price to be above here for now until we have a strong bias on the weekly time frame. But I don't see price taking out that high, but I see price future wise taking out this high. So which means that long term we are looking for bullish movements on the dollar. So bullish movement on the dollar, that's what I'm expecting to see price doing. I'm not really bearish on it. So sometimes you might experience a little bit of spikes, but you see, I'm actually waiting for price to be to break above this high on on DXY dollar index. I'm expecting dollar index to break above and to rest above this area so that I can start looking for a downward movement. But for now, I still see a push all the way up, and I'm still positive with a buy regarding the dollar index. So we have seen that price has basically made this high, made this low, made this high, and then you saw here they actually broke down here. So immediately when price broke down here, there's a change of character right here. All right, so at this change of character, that's why we saw price retracing up to this demand area, and we're looking for price to go all the way up to this level right here, expecting price to go up to this level. So we might just experience a little bit of lower time frame noise, lower time frame, havoc and all that stuff. So unless we don't see certain areas broken, then we are still patient, expecting a strong movement in price. For now, I'm basically looking at this order block here. So looking at this order block, and for it to push it all the way up to here, I'm not really looking at the order block to be broken. But let's say that the order block is broken, then we would be looking for a retracement on the dollar index. But I want to see positive movements to the upside regarding the dollar, and yeah, just positive vibes, positive movement, positive direction to that side. Nothing much, nothing less. So since we are expecting a bullish dollar, we might also want to see bullish USD and I'm expecting USD to come down up to this region right here, 0.92462, expecting price to reach those levels right there. So you can actually look for price to basically take out this high right here, and then you can make your entries in order for you to have targets. All right, sometimes it doesn't completely go to that area, but yeah, but you see BIOS right here, price retrace came up to here. So looking to see price reaching that long-term regions right here. This is actually interesting. I really like USD CAD. So regarding USD CAD also, I see USD CAD came to this large order block, touch the order block right here, and we would see that price actually came in the inefficiency and then respected this area. So we would want to see a break of structure here, or a change of character, I may say. Want to see a change of character right here for us to see a retracement to take it all the way up to here. Bullish movement to the upside regarding USD CAD and all that stuff. Nasdaq, like I said, expecting Nasdaq to buy, take it all the way up. So seeing this movement, seeing this liquidity taken out, seeing it coming up to this high and then going up to this high. But I long term wise, I not really analyze Nasdaq, so I cannot say much. So we might even see Nasdaq dropping down up to here just to retrace and then take out this high. But the ultimate thing is that we're gonna take out this high. So since there was just this break of structure right here, break of structure as was made here, that's why you see price retracing. So maybe coming into this inefficiency, but it depends on today. All right, Nasdaq can just grab into this inefficiency, and then the next week it can just start going up, or we might see Monday. That's why after a week like this, basically what I do is I wait for Monday to finish the following week, and then from Tuesday onwards I like trading depending on where price is. But when price is in the middle, like here, I know what to trade, I know what to do. But when price is right here, then I basically wait and I skip for Monday to finish so that I can end up on the following day. Regarding US30, same thing, expecting price to take out this high. And also gold. Regarding gold, a lot of people like to trade gold. I also like to trade gold. Gold has taken out significant highs, and it is making record numbers. So so this is like the highest we have ever been with gold so far, which is around 21336, I believe. So the people that have been following me obviously and that have been listening to my signals will obviously understand what I'm talking about when I'm talking about gold. Like gold, I know it. Not just gold, like the market itself. So I have been predicting this movement from 19 something, and so you will see basically when I was talking about it, this move from year to year. If you watch my old videos, you will see the videos are there. Okay, he's like, oh, he's just saying, go watch the videos, then you will understand. If you watch the videos, you'll understand that I already called it, and you are gonna see the heavy movement that we have already seen in gold. Okay, so what are we doing this festive season? Festive season, for people that are not really building themselves, and for people that are not having a vision, they are going to drink, they are going to party. But festive season is actually the best time that you can plan your 2024. What do you want to become? What do you want to do the next year? So it's very important that you work hard and that you work on your risk management. You know which ones are your A setups, which ones are your B setups, and which ones are your C setups. So according to the setup type, then you risk. Okay, you don't just risk anyhow. You risk according to the setup type, and you'll be very successful in the marketplace. Okay, many times you will see that the A setups are actually high risk setups for me. The B setups are low risk setups, and the C setups I basically risk anything below 5%. So even if I lose 5%, I don't really care. Okay, so yeah, so gold has really reached the high point, but I still think it's gonna push a bit up so that it can create like sense of friction somewhere, so that it can start falling and then going up again until the basic trend has been changed. All right, so looking at gold making these new highs, forming these new highs, I'm really looking for gold to if you look at smaller time frame structure, you understand that gold has broken this high right here, over here. Okay, gold has broken that high right here. So basically you will see that since that high has been broken, price is just retracing, so up to the equilibrium. So we might see price going down to equilibrium, and then from equilibrium maybe taking out this liquidity here. Then we might see gold going up again. But if this low is broken, then that we're gonna change the direction. Yeah, so basically that's how it is. All right, that's how it is, that's how you do it. Yeah, so guys, this is basically what we are looking for in this week: GBP USD, AUD USD, and the rest. Okay, that's what you're looking for in the market. Have a blessed day ahead. Peace out.